Hey everyone! In today's video, we will go over common issues in Tradingview and how to fix them. If our indicators, alerts, or charts aren't working properly, this guide will help us troubleshoot and get everything running smoothly again. If Tradingview is not working, common solutions include clearing our browser cache, updating the desktop app, and updating our mobile browser. For freezes or crashes, we should disable VPNs, check our internet connection, or reset the app to default settings. If data isn't updating, we should check if we have exceeded our subscription limit. First, we log into our account. We go to tradingview.com. Let's open our browser. The first option we will try is clearing the cache. We go to our browser's history, then click History. Here, we can see the option to delete browsing history. Click this one, and we can clear cache images and files. Delete that and check if the problem is fixed. If not, let's try the next option. The next option is updating the Tradingview app. To update the app, we go to our account. Let's use this as an example. Even though it's a browser, this is just for demonstration. Click our profile. Under our profile, there is a service. Under Service, we can see Settings. Click Settings and we will see About. In About, we will see an Update button. Click that. Once it updates, check if the problem is fixed. If the problem still occurs, let's move to the next option. The next option is updating our browser. To update our browser, go to Settings and click About again. In Settings, click About and check for updates. Once our browser is updating, it will fix many problems and bugs in the browser. After updating, we proceed to the next option. We check our internet connection. Go to the router or modem and refresh it by turning it off and on again. After that, our problem should now be fixed. Most issues come down to simple things, refresh problems, or small mistakes that are easy to overlook. Take your time. Once we are set up, don't panic when something doesn't work right away. Troubleshooting is a part of the trading process, and learning how to fix these issues will save us time and frustration.